Welcome back to my page. One of my customer brought this power bank for me to fix. Then I asked him, I said, what's the problem with it? And he said that he has dropped it for a very long time, he has not used it. I said, okay, no problem, let me check it first. So I need to open it first. Some power bank, this one they have worked on it before. Some power bank are always very difficult. So the first thing, I've opened it now. I need to check if I've put charging port, if it will work. So that's the first thing I want to check. Let me check if I put charging port, if the power bank will on. I want to know if the panel is still working. And when I test it, I discovered that it was not showing anything, it was not turning on. So I say, okay, the second thing to do is to remove the battery from the panel, so I can test the panel by itself to be sure if the panel is working. So look at me when testing it now. I tested it and it was showing. You see, as you can see, it's showing now. So the panel is working. If I fix charging port, it will work. So that I said, okay, let me test the battery to be sure if the battery is also working. Let me test the battery so you will see. Okay, as you can see, it's 2.1. the battery is working, though the battery is not supposed to on because it's not the current is not enough to turn the power bank on, but the battery is working. Because if any battery there, that 6 battery, if anyone has issue, it will not work. So the battery is working and the panel is also working. So as you can see, this power bank has 2 panel. I wanted to separate it, and I discovered it's very hard to separate. I tried, I could not separate it. So I just say, let me fix the charging port like that. As you can see, I just tried and I fixed the charging port without separating it. Just be careful and watch what I'm doing. As you are doing this kind of work, just be careful so you will not break the panel. So I fixed it without separating the panel. I fixed it. As you can see, I fixed it, I've soldered it, and everything will work perfectly. So the next thing, after I finish soldering it, the next thing now is to put my gum. But first of all, let me test if it will work. As you can see, it's working perfectly, 100% working. So let me test if it will supply current to the battery, and it supply 3 point something. So it will charge the battery. Is working perfectly. Okay, the next thing now is to put gum. As you can see, I'm putting gum now. Make sure you gum it, if not it will pull out. Make sure you put enough gum and gum it very well. As you can see, I finished gumming it. Let me put it back inside the battery so I will test it. Guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Okay, let me test it so you will see that it's working perfectly. As you can see, it's working. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.